by parts means the product rule in the integration. As we have studied in the differentiation, there is differentiation of a function f into g. Then we write first function differential of second function plus second function differential of first function. Then there is a rule in integration to product of two functions. How would like to integrate? The formula for the integral is, suppose we have two functions in the product format u into v dx, and we would like to integrate it. Then what we will do here? First function integral of second one minus differential of first function u dash into integral of the second function integral of this. This is the formula which I will use today. Again, I am going to remind you that it's very important formula known as product rule formula. Good evening, students. Okay, now I am very happy to see all of you. I am going to start my class. Okay, then guys, I am going to tell you the product of two functions is there. The first function is u and the second function is v, and this is a product of these two functions, and we have to apply the integral formula. First function integral of second one, then minus differentiation. U dash means differentiation of first function. Here u dash means d by dx of the first function into integral of second function, then as a whole integration. Now you all are required to mark this, to remember this formula. I am going to give an example so that you can make use of this. Suppose we have two functions x into log base ex dx. If we assume this as a first function and this is a second function, how we will apply this formula? We will apply this formula as first function integral. There can be a mistake is there. Suppose we assume this as the first function and this is a second function, and would like to integrate it. Then what we will do? We'll do first function integral of the second function, that will be x squared by 2. The integral of x minus differential of first function, that is 1 by x, differential of the logarithm, into integral of second, that is x squared by 2, for integration of this completely. Then we will get x squared into log base ex by 2 minus we have this x into dx. Now we can integrate this as x squared by 2. The way I have shown you the how to use this formula. No, how I will decide first function and second function, I will tell you. But I have shown an example so that we may use this, how we may use this formula. Okay, so please copy it and then I will continue further. Copy, guys, copy it. So I am going to tell a way how to use this formula. How will select the first function and second function? Uh, this is very important. I'm going to tell you how we'll use this. There is something I let I for inverse trigo. That is sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. This is the logarithmic functions. That is log base ex, log base e1 plus x square, and so on, etc. This is algebraic. Algebraic means x square, x cube, 1 upon x. All these are algebraic expressions. Trigonometric rather than inverse. Trigonometric functions. That is tan x, sin x, cos x, etc. And lastly, these exponential functions. Exponential functions such as e raised to power x, 2 raised to power x, 3 raised to power x. All these are the formula for symbol for the exponential function. As we move from up and up to down, from top to bottom, the first which I will meet will supposed to be first function. Suppose we have to integrate x into log base ex this. Then this is algebraic, this is logarithmic. See, from top to bottom, L is prior to A. L पहले है A से. It is supposed to be first function, it is second function. Another example. Suppose we have to integrate e raised to power into tan x dx, suppose. Then this is called as exponential function, this is called as trigonometric function. If we will move from top to bottom, then t is prior to it, then it is supposed to be first function, it is second function. Okay, but guys, one thing I would like to remind you, that make sure it is not a rule, it is not a law, it is not a law. This is not a law. Sometimes we have to go against this rule. This rule has been designed by some mathematicians after going through thorough practice. In many cases it works, but make sure it is not a lie, it is not a rule. But in many of the problems I will be able to solve. You will be able to solve the problem. And this rule is made on the basis of practice during the solution of integration problems. So generally this rule works, but sometimes we have to follow some method against this rule. But majority of the problems will be solved. Okay. So this is very important. This is the experience of your seniors, senior teachers, senior mathematicians. If we follow this rule, the problem will be easily solved. So guys, please remember two things you are required to remember. First thing, that formula, this is the formula for the integration, and secondly all these islet, which we call it islet, तो जो पहले पढ़ेगा उसको मानेंगे फर्स्ट फंक्शन, जो बाद में पढ़ेगा उसको मानेंगे सेकेंड फंक्शन, ऊपर से नीचे आने पे, फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. Okay, so guys, please copy it, then I will solve some problem using this rule. So please copy it, then I will move for the problems. So students, I think you have copied it, and I am going to move for some examples of this concept, and that the concept will be, okay, I'm going to take some example. My first example is x into cos x dx, and this is algebraic, this is trigonometric, and I move from islet to follow. I'm going to erase this again, and islet, and this is a to t, a to t. This is a first function, this is a second function. जो पहले पढ़ेगा which will lie first from the above, it will supposed to be first function, this is second function. Now we will apply the rule. First function integration of second, the integral of cos x will be sin x minus differential of first function, it will be 1 integral of second dx. Now we can write it. The integral of sin x will be minus cos x minus पहले will be cos x plus some constant c. C is the constant of integration. In this problem, it comes during the indefinite integrals. Problem is of definite integral, we never used to put a c. Okay, so guys, please copy it. I will provide you the next example. And on the basis of this, I give an assignment question. You are required to practice it at your home. Okay, so please practice करिए इसको. This is your home assignment. Practice it. This part needs practice. This integration by parts always needs practice. I will provide you some other problems to the DPP. That is the next. That is the extra problems. But this is more extra problems you can solve in your class. So guys, copy it. Then I will proceed for the next problem. Now, more example. Suppose we have to find the value of log base ex upon x squared dx. We can write x raised to power minus 2 into log base ex dx. Now, how will you use it? Is first, this is algebraic, this is logarithmic, and from the ILATE process. Then this is supposed to be first function, this is the second function. Now we will apply the rule. First function, integral of second, the integral will be minus 1 upon x. Integral of x raised to power minus 2 dx will be x raised to power minus 1 by minus 1, it will be minus 1 upon x. Minus differential of first function will be 1 upon x into integral of second, it will be 1 upon x dx. Minus log base ex upon x plus x raised to power minus 2 dx. Okay. Now students, we can write it minus 1 upon x plus some constant c. So please copy it and I will proceed for the next problem. Before I proceed for the next problem, you should solve one problem at home. That is this. Okay, this is your assignment. Be practice. और अब मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ, इसको कॉपी कर लीजिए तब आगे बढ़े. Please copy it. अरे जल्दी लिखो भैया, जल्दी लिखो. Please be hurry. I am seeing all of you. Don't see that I am not seeing you guys. I am seeing you. Oh, don't talk in the class. बहुत बात करते हो ठाकुर. Don't talk in the class. And be serious. Utilize your time. पढ़ो, जम के पढ़ो. So guys, copy it, then I will move for the next problem. So I am here with a new problem. X squared cos x. We have to solve this. Again, this is algebraic, this is trigonometric. Now islet, not omelet, islet. Islet means 80, 80, 80, 80. This is supposed to be first function, this is second function. In this sequence from top to bottom, which will appear first is supposed to be the first function. Now guys, I am going to apply the formula for the integral. First function integral of second, that is sin x, minus differential of first function 2x into integral of second dx. Now one important thing came here. This is not fully solved and we need to further apply the product rule. So guys, what I would like to say that the product rule can be applied more than one times. This integral by parts can be formula can be applied more than one times, two times, three times as needed in the problem. Okay, so don't be panic and no issue. We'll again apply this formula. First function integration of second function minus differential of first function integration of second. This look at this. Now copy this and simplify the expression. Minus minus plus 2x cos x minus 2 integration of cos x will be sin x plus some constant. So guys, this will be our answers and practice. You should practice this question x square sin x. On the basis of this, you should practice this. So guys, please copy it, then I will go for the next problem. Now guys, please copy. I'm going to move for the next problem. So my next problem is the integral of tan inverse x. Now see here, we have again overwriting process is not better. We have only one function here. What we will do? We will 1 into that tan inverse x. And it is supposed to be one function. This is other function. This is first function. This is second function. Okay. Now I will use the result formula. First function tan inverse x integration of second one integration minus differential of first function into integration of second integration. This integral will be x into tan inverse x minus x upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is very important integral according to the examination. Many times it has been asked. So please guys don't neglect it. I'm going to make a substitution. Put 1 plus x square ht. Now 2x dx will be equal to dt. x dx क्या होगा half dt. Now we can write x into tan inverse x minus half 1 upon t dt. And it is very easy. Now it became very easy, guys. X into tan inverse x minus half log base c mod of t plus some constant c. Now x into tan inverse x minus half. Put the value of what we have assumed, 1 plus x square plus some constant c. Now for practice question will be integral of sin inverse x dx. We can write 1 into sin inverse x, then we will integrate it. So guys, please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. So guys, please copy it, then I will move for the next problem. Now guys, I would like to give you the next example. My next problem is integral of log base ex whole square. This, and we can do it like 1 into log base ex whole square. We will suppose this is a second function and this is a first function, and we will apply the formula. First function integral of second minus differential of first function to log base ex into 1 by x into integral of second dx. It get cancelled, and we are required to apply the integral by parts one more time dx. My writing is very poor, yeah. Okay, and we can do it as 1 into this much. This is treated as a first function, this is treated as a second function. Now we'll apply the formula of first function, log base cx whole square minus 2. First function, integral of second minus differential of first function into integral of second integral. Okay guys, this cancel. Now we can simplify the expression log base cx whole square minus 2 times x into log base cx minus minus plus 2. Integration of dx will be x plus some constant c. And this will be our answer. And practice question will be this. The practice question will be quite simple. You can do it very well. Okay guys, so please practice. This session especially needs some special practice. So guys please कॉपी कर लो बच्चों, फिर मैं आगे चलता हूँ. ओके, अब और बात मत करो ना, हंसो, समझे? बहुत हो गया ठाकुर, बातचीत बहुत हो रही है. पढ़ाई करो सिंसियर होके, जो मैं बता रहा हूँ उसको लिखो अच्छे से. अभी बहुत कुछ बताना है, मस्त कर देंगे पढ़ा के. अभी तुम लोग को फिजिक्स पढ़ाएंगे, अभी तो इधर खत्म कर लेना इंटीग्रल था. चलो कॉपी करो, मस्ती भी करो, पढ़ाई भी करो. बोथ थिंग्स शुड हैपन टुगेदर. So please copy it. So guys, I am moving for the next problem. And my next problem is integration of sec cube x dx. Suppose we have to solve this problem. Okay, now guys, what we will do here and what is the new thing in this problem, you will see. Sec x into sec square x dx. Now this is first function, this is second function. We will apply the formula for by part. First function, integration of second, tan x. The basic formula you are required to have knowledge. Basic formula. If you don't have any idea about the basic formula, that integral of sin x is what, integral of cos x is what, please take your mathematics teacher help. Otherwise, this section will be quite difficult to you. Minus differential of first function, this will be sec x into tan x, integration of second, integral will be sec x into 10x minus sec x. 10 square x became 10 square x. We can write 10 square x, and this integral will be sec x into 10x minus sec cube x minus sec x dx. Now guys, this can be written like this: sec cube x dx minus minus plus integral dx. Now focus on this. This is the original integral. We can put here I and shift this here I to the left hand side. We'll get 2I and sec x into 10x plus integral of this will be log base e mod of sec x plus 10x. Now this is 2I. What will be I? Will be half of this sec x into 10x plus log base e mod of sec x plus 10x plus some constant c. Practice problem will be integral. Your question problem for practice will be this similar problems, and you are required to do this practice. Okay guys, so sometimes the original integration is a problem, and we will again assume it as I, shift it to the left hand side, we'll get the answer. Okay, so please copy it, then I will copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. Okay. Now students, I am going to next one more formula is there. First you should learn the formula. Formula is that e raised to power x plus, so see here, f dash x dx. It will be equal to e raised to power x into fx plus some constant c. This is very important formula. How we will remember it? Here this is integration sign e raised to power x fx plus f dash x. What is the relation? Here it is fx and it is f dash x. And we will get the answer e raised to power x into fx. Here we will get the answer. It should be exactly e raised to power x. Here fx plus f dash x dx. And the final answer will be e raised to power x fx. I will prove it today. But before going to prove, I'm going to tell you the exact application. E raised to power x. Suppose here is sin x and plus differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Yes. The answer of this problem will be e raised to power x into sin x plus some constants directly. Suppose we have this. This is the cos inverse x, and the differential of cos inverse x will be this. The answer will be directly this cos inverse plus some constants. Integral e raised to power x log base x plus 1 by x dx. Its answer will be directly e raised to power log base dx plus some constants. E raised to power x into function. E raised to power x into function. E raised to, here at the right hand side there is a differentiation of the given function. Okay. So guys, please copy it. Then I will prove this formula. Then we will do some more problems on this. What I have told here is the examples. These are the examples. Now, students, I am going to prove this formula. Then I will give some more problems on this based on this formula. I am going to prove this formula. Suppose we have to find the value of the integral e raised to power x fx plus base x dx. Now we can write it e raised to power x fx dx plus e raised to power x f dash x dx. Okay. Suppose this is apply. I'm going to apply the by part formula on this. This is second function. Apply first function integral of second minus differential of first function into integral of second, and then copy this plus e raised to the power x f dash x dx. Now this and this get cancelled because these two expressions are same. See, so by what we will get here, we'll get here this plus some constant. Then this is the proof for the formula. So please copy it. Then I will show you some other examples based on this. Okay, so please copy it. Now I'm going to solve some problems based on this. So our question is integral of e raised to power x 1 plus x upon 2 plus x whole square. Suppose we have to solve this problem. We can write e raised to power x 2 plus x minus 1 upon x whole square dx. In the numerator we can write this in the place of 1 plus x, we can write this 2 plus x then minus 1. Now take 2 plus x together and divide the expression. We will get e raised to power x 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square. Now it is very simple to see that the differentiation of this is this differentiation of. So our final answer will be e raised to power x into 1 by 2 plus x. This is equal to e raised to power x by 2 plus x plus some constants. This will be our final answer. So guys, please copy it, then I will move for the next problem. I am going to give another example. If we have to solve the problem sine of log base plus cos of dx. Okay, here we will make a substitution. Log base ex will be t. We can write x will be e raised to power. This is the property of the logarithm. If you don't have knowledge, you may consult your physics or maths teacher. So it will be equal to e raised to power t dt. So guys, we can write e raised to power t sine of t plus cos r. Function of sine t is cos t, then our answer will be e raised to power t into sine t plus some constant c. Put the value of e raised to power t here. We can write as x into t, the value of t there, log base ex plus some constant c. We have put the value of, replaced the value of t and replaced the value of e raised to power t. This is our answer. Please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. So students, please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. Suppose we have to solve the value of integral log base ex plus 1 by log base e x whole square and dx. We will substitute ht. What we will get here from the logarithmic property, this we will get here e raised to power t dt. Now our integral becomes integral of e raised to power t log base et plus 1 by t square dt. Okay, here one accident happens, that integral of log t is 1 by t, not 1 by t square. Then what we will do it? We can write it log base et plus 1 by t minus 1 by t conjure plus 1 by t square. We can write like this. So we can break into the two separate integrals, 1 by t dt and second e raised to power t minus 1 by t plus 1 by t square dt. Okay, now it becomes very simple. The integral of log base t is 1 by t and the answer will be e raised to power t into log base t. Here the integral of the differential of this is 1 by t square minus 1 by t, then it will be e raised to power t by t plus some constants. Replace their value, e raised and t is log base x. What we will do? We get x log base ex minus x upon log base ex plus some constant c. Then this is our answers. Copy it. Then I will proceed for the next formula that is also very important in this section. Okay, please copy it. Now students, I am going to tell you the two formula important in this section. E raised to power x sin bx dx. It will be equal to e raised to power ax upon a square plus b square bracket a sin ex minus b cos bx plus some constants. And the second formula e raised to power ax cos bx dx. It will be equal to e raised to power ax by a square plus b square h. A cos of ax plus b sin of dx. These two formulas are very important and they can be derived using the by part. But during derivation it will take time. The regeneration process occurs I. And what I have told you, I said cubex in the integration of set cubex. But in many J problems, this formula is used directly. So गाइस प्लीज मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, इसको याद कर लीजिए अच्छे से और बढ़िया से पढ़ाई कर लीजिए. Or in many of the problems it is used directly. And one use I am going to show you. Suppose we have integral t raised to power 2x sine of 3x. Suppose we have to find the value of this integral. Put it there in the area. Put a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Directly we will get the answer. E raised to power 2x by 2 square plus 3 square and 2 sine 3x minus 3 cos 3x. This is very many examination it is used directly. So today only this much. Enjoy. I think that you have enjoyed this class and make a practice of this session for the today's lecture. And I am sending you approximately 10 to 20 problems and in the form of DPP, and you are requested to practice all of those formulas. I am providing those formulas with full solution. Okay, good night.